What's up, guys? Welcome to AC Designs Garage. Let me show you this cool little project we got come in this week. It is a 1960 Chevrolet Impala. Belongs to a buddy of ours. We've already painted Firewall and stuff on it. We got some quarter panel swapping around to do on this. Got some old repairs that are not any good. You can see where they repaired before, and this caved and paved it full of mud. So we're gonna put new quarters. I'm hoping we're just gonna go like halfway up on the quarter, maybe weld that in. We'll see. I'll give you a walk around the car. I've always liked these cars with the wings and stuff. Check out the trunk size in this thing. You can put my Volkswagen in here. And look at the size tubs that's in this. You could put, I'd say, at least 11 or 12 inch wide wheel, and you could set it on the ground. Of course, we're not going to set this one on the ground, but maybe I can talk him into it. I doubt it. But the car's going to be the Firewall color, which is the factory Roman red. Like I said, it's an Impala, so this car comes factory Roman red with a white top, and then the white stripe in here with the spear. You know, they got the spear on the front, and it has the white. All we're going to do is just put the white stripe in here. We're going to paint the top red and everything. As you can see, it's got a lot of old body work and stuff in it, but the car's in really good shape. We got to paint the dash. We've already painted the steering column and stuff so he could get it over here. You can see that's a really cool color. You also see that this is a 4-speed car. I like cars with 3 pedals. These things have that cool bubble top look to them. Yeah, here's the Firewall we did. He's already painted the chassis and stuff, but it is a 348 3 deuce. I think he said it's got a solid lift cam in it. This car come original. This is a factory Impala, but it come with a straight 6, I think, originally in 1960. But how cool are the 3 deuces on that 348? 348 409s are probably one of my favorite engines just for looks. But I can't wait till we're going to strip this dash down. You know, these things have such a cool look. Got to do some body work, but I wanted this dash to just look like plastic. Just really spent a lot of time on the cut and buff on it. We've already painted the steering wheel and stuff on it. It's already the red. If you follow along on my Instagram channel, you've probably seen a lot of this stuff. And if you don't, my Instagram is @AC_designs if you want to follow a lot of behind the scenes stuff. Factory seat, I think it's getting the red and white factory interior and stuff. It's going to look really cool in the car. But I mean, these pans and stuff, they're not full of Bondo and stuff. I mean, they look good for a 1960 Impala. Really nice car. I think we're going to start stripping the paint on it this week, taking everything down to bare metal, and like I said, replacing the sheet metal, coming back up with epoxy and high build and everything. So should have a really cool car. This is rare also too. They didn't butcher it up. It don't look like an angry beaver's chewed out the back of the package tray. Of course, people get in there with pliers and cold chisels to be able to fit their speakers in. The paint, the base coat we used on they're the only ones that we found so far to mix it. I'm sure PPG can, but we used Tamco for the base coat. Then we used PPG clear. I just like their clear. I think it was DCU 2002 clear is what we used.